Hey guys, how are everyone? I hope you are all well. So today I am doing this video to show off you guys the difference between the ST etching and the hybrid etching. I have completed two of these intercontinental WWF block logo intercontinental belts. One is in the ST etching and one is in the hybrid etching. So just decided to make a video to let you know guys or show you guys the difference between these two types of etching, as both of these belts are in the front of each other. We have also made it in the HT etching, but the HT etching one is not currently in the front of me. So currently we have the ST version of the intercontinental and the hybrid version of the intercontinental. So let's start our video. So as just for your information, this one is in the ST etching and the plates thickness on the both of the belts are the same, 4 mm zinc. This one is also in the 4 mm zinc and this one is also in the 4 mm zinc, but the difference is in the etching. Like now, first of all, starting from this one, you guys can see on this one, like here, the stars are not as deep etched as these are on the hybrid one. Even the whole even the on the map, you guys can also see on the map on the hybrid etching, you guys can see how deep is it as compared to on the ST one. The WWF logo at the top, just look at these 3D edges, and here same here on the stars, and look at the sharpness of these stars here. The words intercontinental are deep etched and clear as compared to the ST version. Also the globe, yeah, here you guys can see it better, yeah, here. Now here, okay, so the words heavyweight wrestling champion on the hybrid one and on the ST one, and this floral like design on the bottom of the main plate. It is not as clear or deep etched on the ST variant as compared to the hybrid. Also now look at these areas. You can see these are not as much as deep etched as these are on the hybrid one. You guys can see these lines. These are like raised lines. This part is more etched as compared to this one. This one looks more raised as compared to this one. So overall look of the whole, both of the main plates of the both belts, the ST and the hybrid. Now look at these stars. You can see yeah, these parts here, like that, the background of these stars or the background of the plate, how deep it is etched as compared to this one. These looks almost flat, but these looks like 3D. Okay, so now moving towards the side plates. WWF logo on the hybrid and the WWF logo on the ST. A lot of the difference between both of them. The two wrestlers here, you guys can see how deep these are etched, and here the etching is not as deep as it is on the hybrid one. Same on the other side plate, property plate. Here you guys can see the letters are not sharp as these are on this one. Every single letter is clear, crisp and sharp. Same on the other side plates. And on the left side plate. Basically in the hybrid etching you can see these areas. Just focus on these areas, these lines. And now here it almost look raised, but here you guys can see how deep is it. Overall look of both together. In ST etching, the etching is more deep and sharp as compared to the hybrid, but you can say in HT etching it's very close. Hybrid etching is very close to the HT etching. So also let me tell you guys that what is the hybrid etching. Hybrid etching is the mixture of the ST and CNC and the HT. So how? So first of all, in the CNC, in the normal makers which with the normal makers which are selling the CNC, the zinc material which they are using is only the recycled zinc. Like on the ST belt, recycled zinc is used, but on the ST belts, imported zinc is used. So in the hybrid etching, we are using the imported zinc, not the recycled zinc. So this is how the HD etching process is involved in the hybrid etching, and the other work is done by the modern technology of the CNC machine. And the ST, how ST is involved in it, if you guys know that in the CNC there are some kind of the lines, tool lines on the plates. So we run the acid on the plates after completing the etching. So the acid which is used in the ST etching, so the acid removes the lines of the CNC tools from the plates, so the plates looks clean, nice, sharp. So this is how the ST etching is also involved in it. This is how the all the three processes are involved in this hybrid etching. I also posted a document form difference between the all three types of etching, ST, hybrid and HT, and the text form in the document. It is posted in our Facebook group in the featured posts. If you guys also want to see the difference, read that difference, you guys can go in our group on the Facebook Excellent Belts and can look in the featured post, and there it is in the document form. So just doing this video to show off you guys the difference in the video form also. So I hope so you do all of you guys understand the difference between the ST and the hybrid. Next in the future, if I will also have a HT variant with it, I will also do the video of the all the three types of etching together, ST, hybrid and HT. So that's all for today. Have a nice day, take care.